Looking for a comfortable seating solution for your home office, studio, or salon? Introducing the WKWKER rolling stool with footrest in a sleek gray color. With its modern design and versatile functionality, this stool is a perfect addition to any workspace. Let's dive into the details. The seat diameter of 13.2 inches provides ample room for comfortable seating, while the thick 2.5-inch cushion ensures lasting support. Adjustable in height from 19.3 inches to 25.4 inches, this stool caters to various preferences and workstations. Plus, it can accommodate a maximum load of 250 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. One of the standout features of this rolling stool is its 360-degree swivel capability. With just a simple turn, you can rotate the seat and move freely, enhancing your productivity and convenience. The metal base and hydraulic gas lift ensure stability and smooth height adjustment, while the PU leather seat covering offers durability and resistance to water and oil. Assembly is a breeze with the included tools and instructions, requiring just a few simple steps to set up within minutes. And with a 2-year warranty period, WKWKER provides reliable customer service to address any concerns or inquiries promptly. Whether you're working at a desk, vanity, or drafting table, this rolling stool is a versatile and stylish choice. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to enhanced comfort and productivity with the WKWKER rolling stool with footrest. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.